Both of us were now off the beaten track and full of steely determination.
Come on, Jeremy, you need to get there first. Thunderbird 1 is parasliding. Oh, yes. This is called wrestling with the controls. Whoa! Oh!
I'm getting deep into the woods here. Steady. Temperatures and pressures, all in the green. This is shouting and power versus thought and talk.
Come on! Oh, I've got some rooster tails now. Oh! Good news, Hammond. The Velociraptor works well in these conditions.